women our age are told to coupon clip their way to retirement. I'm telling you, let's sell something that makes us $900 per customer. Feeling stuck because you never had a plan B? Tired of being told, just work harder or wait until you're 70? You're capable of building an online business, but nobody has ever handed you the rule book. I'm here to change that. The Legacy Builder gives you the exact blueprint. There's no fluff and there is no confusion. You'll learn to attract people who want to pay $900 for the same system that you're using. You don't need ads, tech skills, or years of experience. You don't need to start over. You just need to start smarter. If you can follow a step-by-step blueprint and talk to people, this business works. Let's stop settling and start stacking that income. If you're interested, comment yes below and I'll get you that blueprint.